Hey everybody, welcome back. So I just walked inside of Dollar Tree, and of course you already know we're gonna walk around and see what new goodies I can find today. Oh, they set out the little cats, the little ring holders, so you got those. But look at these little guys right here with the little boots. Those are cute. They got some snow globes. Oh, there's a penguin too. They got a lot of snow globes. Peace. There's one that says joy. Oh, they even have a little reindeer guy. He's cute. Okay, over in cosmetics, I do see these, which is the double pack of the Wet n Wild. Let's see. Looks like a coral and a pink color. Those are the only two that I see. They brought back more of the Wet n Wild color icon, little eyeshadow. This one is in the color Sugar. Saw those. The gel polish remover. Oh, look at that. Lash comb and brush. I think they had these before, but just a different little pattern on the handle. That's kind of cute. First time seeing this. Under eye massager right here. And they got some cuticle oil and nail strengthener by Sassy and Chic. Here's some Beauty Benefits foundation powder. I don't know if I've seen this before. I don't think I have. I know they carry Beauty Benefits, but these look different. This is a blush right there, and then they have this mascara. And down here you got a contour duo. Okay, so they got different color foundations. And this one is a highlighting duo. Oh, look, they got a lot of cute little hair bows. You got that silver one. Here's a black one. This red one. And in my last video, I did show you guys some dog ones. But today, I see a bunch of different ones. Okay, so I see that one. He has his tongue out with a cone on his head. This one, he's wearing glasses, and it says stay cool. Okay, I think we saw that one with the little faces. And then this one says hipster pug dog. These are some cute little bows. Oh, look at that one. Look at that. She even has like a little bandana on her head. Okay, that's cute. Oh my goodness, how adorable are these? Oh, I like these. And this is the only style I see. I'm wondering if they have different ones. But for right now, this is the one I see in this location. And then look at this. This is a new jar. I don't know, can you see that? It's pink and it's blue. It's like an ombre. That's really, really pretty. They've brought back the Eiffel Towers. They still have those. More of the little trinket dishes. There's an elephant back there. You got the unicorn, the llamas, and all of that. You got the donuts, trinket dish. And I think that's about it for over here. And then more of these. And then on this side of me, they got still some of the little banks right here. The pig. They got the trinket dishes. Of course, more succulents, these cute little picture frames, and all of this down here. Still a lot of those trees. These are craft bottles. They're plastic. You got these animals, and look at this. This is new. They kind of look like the other ones they used to have, but this is a different style. Because it has that like dish up here, and I see that in white and black. Okay, and they always bring out these little like drawers, so they just usually switch up the patterns. So I see that one. This one has like a llama with some glasses on. That is so adorable. Then you got a dinosaur, the palm trees, but this one is cute. Look at that. I like that one. I'm over in the kids section, and I just thought this was so cute. They do have some different ones. However, this location doesn't have any because I did buy Pooh Bear a set It had the little black cutting board and knife and everything, but this one is so cute because look at the knife. It kind of makes me think of like Hello Kitty when I see this. And the fruit sticks together with Velcro, so these are really cute. And the one I got, Pooh Bear, had like a frying pan in it and everything, so really cute. Cute little decor. Santa and the reindeer. And then you got all these nutcrackers. Now, I will say these nutcrackers look a lot better than the ones in the past. These are actually plastic. The ones in the past were wood, and I don't know, they were okay, but these are made way better. And they have different ones. You got him. Yeah, I like these a lot better. You even have him holding the little horn. Yeah, I'm actually thinking I might get some of these. Okay, so this location, this is their craft stuff, and from what I'm hearing, a lot of people are saying, oh, the bigger stores are the ones that's getting all the craft stuff. I'm not sure, but the first store that I showed you, they did have a lot of stuff. This one has these metallic marker, Forever in Time, that's the brand, or you can get these chalk writers by Craft Decor, and the metal ones come in different colors. See that one? And then I saw a blue one up there. They do have the stickers that I showed you guys in the past. More down here. You got these metallic stickers. The artist canvas right here. This is a bigger one. Pump spray bottles. You got 2 of them. Sponge dabbers. More wood shapes. You got the cute little dinosaur, the flower, and the butterfly. These and some jewels. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Look at that, and these are wood. I don't need them. That one says dreamy. Is it dreaming? Yeah, dreaming. They all say dreaming, but you can just get different colors. So that one is pink. And then you have the purple, and then you have blue. Okay, these are adorable. Then down here you got these pictures right here that are wood, but they have the clear, like see-through animal. You got Good Vibes Only. I love you, Home is where the heart is blue. Okay, looks like they got some new canvas pictures. A True Love Story Never Ends. That one. Let's see. Flowers. Don't Worry, Be Happy. Bless This Mess. They always have succulents. Oh, that one is cute. Oh, that's cute too. What was that one? And then down here, you got more pictures. Oh gosh, I don't want to go through all of these. Oh, look at that. Good night. I like that. Okay, these are in a random place, and I did not see them in the toy section, but they got these Make It blocks. Like, you know, it says compatible, fits all leading brands. And this is the White House. I'm going to put these back where I found them. 24 pieces. You got the Tower of Pisa. 19 pieces. And then London Tower Bridge. Those are kind of cute, especially if you like to use Legos. And look at this, you guys. They got some new socks. Look at that. That is adorable. These are crew socks. Let's see. So you have that one. You have those, so you can get different styles. You have the raccoon, where you can get it like that. And then they have the cute fox. Look at that. I like that. And you can get those like that as well. And then here's a few of the other ones that I showed you already. with the dog. I don't know what that is. The llama, and then they have the fox up here as well. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be it for this Dollar Tree location. They had a few cute things. I'm honestly gonna head over to another Dollar Tree, so you may get 2 today, or you may get 1 and 1 tomorrow. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Okay, bye.